Hi all, welcome to Reality of Hyderabad. Today we are at Hallmark Floresta at Kollur party location. So this is a triplex villa. So we can see this model villa. So it is a living room and it is a bedroom at ground floor. So we can see that we are having the lift provision at living room. And now we are entering into the first floor. So this is another bedroom at first floor. So Hallmark Floresta spread across 13.4 acres of the land parcel. So all are like G+2 Triplex Villas with a 3 and 4 BHK luxury villas. And beside that we have the puja room as well. And now we are entering into the balcony area. So this is a balcony area for the first floor, and we can see the ICRISAT, and this is the construction status as on today of the Hallmark Floresta villas. So in first floor also we are getting the another family area of the living room, and now we are entering into the master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom with a spacious and that is a washroom, cupboards and all. And now we are entering into the second floor of the villa. So in second floor we are having the home theater and another bedroom as well. So this is a home theater, which is luxurious home theater. We can also design like this. And we are having the fourth bedroom at second floor. So you can do it like this one as a second master bedroom. So very spacious bedroom. And now we are entering into the terrace, which is open terrace, and we can do the party lounges, dinners. Now this is the balcony area and terrace, and you can see the ICRISAT. So there is a complete ICRISAT of the Patan Cheruvu. So we can see the construction status of the all the villas as on